Hey guys, it is my turn. And today we're going to be, hold on. The Cookie Girl? She will kill anyone who will try to steal her cookie. And if you are curious for yourself and steal her cookie, last episode, we uncovered that the brat will get the same powers as Cookie Girl. Well, Cookie Girl has an unlimited amount of powers. However, they only get triggered once you steal her cookie. Similar to that of the brat's reason for killing you. So all you gotta learn from this experience is die due to stealing cookies. Yeah, this is a dumb script. Hold on, guys, can we just get a funner script? No, that's what the nature documentary of Gacha Life wants. Really? Yeah. Okay. Never mind. We're just going to go with that, okay? Bye.